Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily add live recognition control to your iPhone lock screen in iOS 27 or later. Apple continues to expand the customization options available on the iPhone and iPad, and iOS 27 introduces even more ways to keep your favorite tools within each reach. And one of the most useful additions is the ability to place the live recognition control directly on your lock screen, allowing you to launch intelligent accessibility feature without unlocking your device or navigating through multiple menus. That said, let's get started. So first you have to swipe down from the top center to bring up the lock screen. Then you have to long press on the screen. After that, you can swipe left or right to find the wallpaper that you would like to customize. And if you're happy with the current one, just hit the customize button to proceed. Then you have to tap on the minus button at the top of the control you want to get rid of. After that, you have to tap on the plus button. Then you have to scroll down to Region Accessibility section and choose Live Recognition. And finally, you have to tap on the Done button at the top right corner of the screen to confirm the action, and that's about it. Adding the live recognition control to your iPhone's lock screen is a simple change that makes a big difference in everyday convenience. With a feature just a tap away, you can instantly launch visual recognition without unlocking your device or searching through apps and settings. Whether you are in a hurry or need immediate assistance, having quick access ensures that live recognition is always ready when you need it. Live recognition is one of Apple's most advanced accessibility features, using on-device intelligence and your iPhone's camera to understand the world around you. It can recognize everyday objects, read printed and handwritten text aloud, describe scenes, detect important visual elements, and provide helpful information in real time. This makes it incredibly useful not only for people with vision impairments but also for anyone who wants an easier way to interact with their surroundings. And that's all there is to it. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.